Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you all are well and also subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, in this video I am going to buy one product from AliExpress and also unboxing and show the product to you. So let's do this. So guys, to buy the product I am going to my AliExpress account. I already add the product in my wish list. So I am going to my wish list. Here is the product, super fingerprint unlock touch key ID home button. Here you can see some image of this product. The product price is $0.56. Rating is 4.9. okay, the product shipping is free in my country. Here you can see some customer review. Okay, now I like to buy. I'm using iPhone 6s Plus white, so I like to silver white. Okay, continue. The total cost is $0.56. So place order. I'm going to add my payment method. Okay, pay now. Here you can see AliExpress email. Here you can see thank you for purchase. So now I am going to unboxing the product and show the product to you. So guys, after 1 month I get this fingerprint unlock touch ID home button protector. So here is the product. You will find the product link in my description below. So now I like to open the product and also set this protector in my iPhone 6s Plus fingerprint on fingerprint. So now I like to open the product. So here is the product. They send the product very nicely. So I like to open. So here is the protector. So take the protector first, then just press quietly. So here you can see it's work nice. So I hope you like this protector and also like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.